Is binge watching giving you a backache? Is your phone being a pain in the neck? Is the daily grind giving you a headache? Is your back sore from taking on too much? It all adds up. Chiro can help. Your local CAA chiropractor can help you with many spinal health problems and give practical advice to improve your lifestyle. Chiropractors work towards restoring and maintaining normal spinal function. Discover a better way to live your life. Discover how Chiro can help by visiting your local CAA chiropractor. Visit spinalhealthweek.com.au.